Today I will be talking to you about a concept called multi-masking. What is multi-masking? What are the absolutely great benefits of masking your face with different kinds of masks? And if you are a great fan of Body Shop products, if you don't know yet, I'm a consultant with Body Shop, and being a consultant offers me the eligibility to offer all Body Shop products at great prices and discounts than online and stores 100% of the time. Apart from that, if you also join the group which I have on Facebook, and the link of that is there in the description below, you will be able to get access to various games, raffles, competitions, and pamper parties, free gifts, free products, free spends, and sometimes absolutely wonderful discounts like 70% and flash sales. So if you want to have all of this, just right now head to my group in the description and join the group, and you will be able to get access to all these wonderful things. So let me just talk to you about what is multi-masking first, and then we will see what kind of different masks are there. Multi-masking is to treat different regions of your face in different ways, because every region of your face does not react the same way or does not have the same skin type. Like for example, in a combination skin, you have a lot of oily regions on your T-zone, forehead, and sometimes chin, and your cheeks are usually dry. So there can be different skin needs to different parts of the face, and multi-masking means where you apply two or more different types of masks to your face and give that specific section of your skin the attention it needs. So it helps address specific skin issues in different regions of your face by using a particular type of mask, and it will help you resolve the issue of that particular region. For multi-masking, I'm going to use the masking brush, and this is available in Body Shop, and it's an extremely very nice brush. It is really smooth in texture, and it's a cruelty free brush. I always recommend all my customers who buy a mask from me to buy this brush for two reasons. One, if you use the brush instead of your hand, it doesn't get messy, and you just take the right amount that's needed and you apply it on your face. And I have heard from so many people and from my personal experience that the mask actually lasts more longer, at least 4 to 5 times longer, if you use the brush instead of your hands. But it is totally up to you to whether use your hand or the brush. And the second benefit of this is that you can apply it really evenly, so it's just like painting it on your face, right? So you will be able to get an even distribution of mask all over your face. Sometimes with hand you apply a little bit more on certain regions and little less on others. So that's the most important benefit of applying the mask with the brush, and I absolutely adore this brush. So today we will be looking at three different kinds of masks. The most important benefits of mask is that it's exfoliating, um, deep cleansing, hydrating, and moisturizing. So the mask that I'm going to use will do all of these. That's very specifically needed to your skin, and it's recommended to actually do masking 2 to 3 times a week after exfoliating, to give your skin that extra boost and glow you need to have always. So the first mask I'm going to show you is our superstar mask. I have actually posted a small newspaper article about this. The Himalayan charcoal mask is the best mask there ever is, and like I mentioned, that this mask flies off in 15 seconds from the shelves, and it has been deemed by the beauticians as the holy grail for your pores and dirt, and to give that glow and deep cleansing that your skin needs. So if you haven't seen that article that I shared. Just go a few days in my post, and then you can check out that in the group. So for people who haven't seen, I'll probably share the link in the description also. So Himalayan charcoal mask, like it says, is made of activated charcoal. It's bamboo charcoal and also contains tea tree and green tea from Japan, and tea tree oil from Kenya. So it's preliminary made of Himalayan bamboo charcoal, and for every mask that we sell, there are more bamboo charcoal, bamboo plants that are planted in the foothills of Himalayas, and this is the primary source of food for red pandas. So for every mask you are buying, you're making a big contribution in saving these exotic red pandas in the Himalayas. So please go ahead and buy your Himalayan charcoal mask for your glow. And what are the benefits of Himalayan charcoal mask? This is 100% vegan mask, and it is formulated without any harmful chemicals like parabens, sulfates, mineral oils or silicones, and it is an invigorating clay mask, which means it will deep cleanse your pores and remove all the dirt, impurities, excess oil, everything that your skin doesn't need to give you that deep cleanse and glow. So this is a mask that will give you all of that in just 15 minutes. And of course, this is also everyone's favorite mask, and it has a small bits of bamboo charcoal in it. So I'm going to start applying this mask. And usually this mask is very effective when you apply on your T-zone and forehead. Some people apply it on the T-zone and chin, and apply different masks on different regions, but today I'm going to go ahead and apply it on my forehead and T-zone. So this is how the mask looks. Excuse me for how it is inside, because I very frequently use this mask, and just taken a little bit of it, and you can see the particles here. So this is charcoal, and this mask has a tingling sensation. It is slightly pricky, and you will feel the tingling sensation on your skin when it is applied. And this brush allows me to really give a very nice coverage on the skin. The brush is sharp, and it has particular angle to it, slanted angle, so it helps in reaching all the small regions. I always use the mask after exfoliation, and so it immediately works on my skin after being exfoliated. So this is the first mask. I'll quickly wash the brush before I put it into the next mask. So the next mask will be a Chinese ginseng and rice. You can already see that the mask has started to dry up, and this is the Chinese ginseng and rice mask. And this is how it looks inside. You can actually see the rice, broken rice in it, and the primary component of this is ginseng. So I'm just going to apply it on my jawline. Ginseng is known for its extremely high benefits, like it is supposed to be an anti-aging agent, and it is the main component in our roots of strength range. It improves the elasticity of the skin, and also prevents and has an increase in lifespan to the skin cells, and it actually has a lot of benefits in reducing the number of wrinkles, the length of the wrinkles, and basically your skin tends to get firmer when you use the skin ranges which are made up of ginseng. So the third one that I'm going to use is a British rose mask, and I'll quickly wash off this brush and come back to you with the British rose mask. The important thing about the Chinese ginseng and rice mask is because of the rice bits that is there inside the mask, it also acts as an exfoliator, and it can exfoliate your skin along with masking, and it also removes the dullness in your skin, and it gives a brighter and supple skin. This also is free of paraben, sulfates, mineral oil, and silicones. And the third mask that I'm going to use is the British Rose Mask. And the rose mask is not so visible like the others. It has a gel-like texture, and this is also made up of ingredients that are free of paraben, sulfate, mineral oil, and silicones. And the primary component of this is of course the rose petals, which you can see and feel. This is one of the best smelling masks. I'm gonna take a second whiff because it is so gorgeously smelling, and I am not sure if it is visible, but you can actually see the rose petals in on the brush, and it is made up of real rose petals, rose essence, and all of these are organic roses that are grown here and hand-picked by farmers before they extract the rose essence and the rose petals are collected. And it also contains aloe vera. So this is a refreshing, hydrating, and plumping mask which gives your skin the nourishment and refreshing feel that it needs. It gives a very dewy appearance and immediately invokes the glow. So it is primarily used on the cheeks, and if you can see, I have hardly used any bit. Out of a 15 ml box, you can use it for at least 10 to 15 times, and this is, I can't say how many times you've used, so many times, and this is an investment that is good for 3 to 5 months, depending upon whether you mask twice or thrice a week. But this brush has been absolutely wonderful in reducing my usage and gives a superb even coating on my skin. And you can see that the charcoal mask has already started to dry out, and if you feel the Chinese ginseng and rice, you can feel the rice bits, and it exfoliates those regions. Apart from this, we have the Japanese Makati mask, and the coffee mask, and what else do we have? The Mediterranean almond milk and honey, and of course, how can I forget the hemp overnight mask. So most of these masks are all immediately you can wash it off, while hemp is a overnight mask, and you can apply the hemp mask and leave it for 15 minutes, then massage itself into your skin, and just remove the excess off, and you can go to sleep, and the next day when you get up, you will have that much of nourishment to your skin. It is extremely hydrated, and it is it's, as the name suggests, it's an overnight rescue mask. It rescues your skin and gives it the punch of hydration that it needs. So so basically these masks are designed in such a way to give you that instant um, refreshed look. It like I said, it gives you deep cleaning, exfoliation, hydration, moisturization, and glow. So everything that you need from these masks, we have the entire range for that coverage. And I haven't used coffee mask here, but coffee mask is also one of the best smelling ranges of in the mask. And it's quite hard for us to not taste some of these masks, because they are such good smelling ones, especially the rose. I always get reminded of the rose milk that is really famous in India, and all, obviously coffee. And so I'm just going to leave for a few minutes and wash off the mask and come back to you, and we'll see how it looks. So I'll be right back. So this is after 15 minutes, and you can see that the charcoal mask has completely dried out, and my Chinese ginseng and rice mask has also dried, and I don't see any of them sticking much to my hand. So this is okay. This is the time when you can take nice cloth that is wet with warm water. You can wipe it off, or you can quickly rinse it off in warm water. So I'll come back after rinsing my face in water, and we'll see how good it looks after masking. So I'm back after washing off the mask, and you can see that the skin is actually glowing, and it is extremely smooth and hydrated. You can feel the British rose working, and it's really smooth and has a very refreshed texture. And I absolutely love how good these masks work. So immediately after masking, you need to tone your skin because you washed it, and I'm using the British Rose toner. So I'll just add a little bit of it. If you can see the small bits that you see here are actually rose petals in it. So I'm just gonna slightly apply it, and toning will clean everything that's there in the pores, and it will balance the pH of your skin. So you have to tone immediately after you have masked, and you can continue with your skin routine after that. So whoever saw the skin routine video, the next step, what is it? It's the essence lotion. So I'm taking the drops of youth essence lotion, very little, and warm it between your fingers and apply everything in circular and outward and upward movements. So after the essence lotion is the serum. A serum is a concentrated bag of active ingredients that are supposed to be delivered to your skin, and these are extremely nourishing and lightweight moisturization than your moisturizers. If you note, I never apply the essence lotion or serum or the moisturizer to my eye area. So I've taken half a pipette of it, and then applied it all over. Then continue with the massage. Once this is done, we always move from light to heavy moisturizers. So you will have creme cleansers, and then toner will be light, your essence lotion will be light, followed by slightly heavier serum, and the last will be the densest, which is the glow boosting moisturizer, the vitamin C glow boosting moisturizer. This is how it looks, packed with vitamin C from Camu berry, which is 60 times higher than that of an orange. So it's very important how much cream that you know should use. This is as much as you need for a moisturizer. So just going to dab it to different parts of the face and then smoothen it out evenly all over the face. So this is my usual day routine, where I use the drops of youth range with either vitamin E or vitamin C moisturizer. If I am using the drops of light range, I of course use the drops of light moisturizing day cream. So and then finally we can apply the eye cream to the eye area. So why do you need to apply a different eye cream, and why not use the same moisturizer? Because you are anyway using it for the face, because the region under the eye is one of the thinnest regions on the face, and the skin is very sensitive and thin, so it can be very easy to cause irritation in that part of the face. So it's important to use a specific eye cream because it's formulated with a calming ingredients that wouldn't cause irritation to the sensitive skin around your eyes. So finally you can just apply an eye cream and finish your skin routine. So that is all about multi-masking, and as you guys know, I always have discounts that are better than the store and online. So let me know which mask do you want, and if you want to like try out a few masks, the best thing that I suggest is you go with the mini mask, because they are good enough to use 10 to 15 times, but slightly less expensive than the 75 ml range. So 15 ml range is better. You can buy 2 to 3 masks and then try them before you buy the bigger bottle. So let me know how much you liked this video, and if there's anything else that you would like to see me demonstrate, please let me know in the comments. And stay safe, and hope to see you all once again. Take care. Bye bye. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be coming up with so many more skincare, hair care, and similar videos. And if you'd like to buy these mini masks or the bigger bottles, just click the link of my Facebook group in the description. I'll also leave my Insta link if you like, and you can click on that and contact me for shipping. I ship all over UK, so wherever you are in UK, I can directly ship it to your place. So the best way is to buy a mini mask of 2 or 3 types, and I can definitely recommend what mini mask you would like to have for your skin, depending upon your skin type. And you would get it shipped, and your entire facial is absolutely done with very little price and at your home, and you can get absolutely glowy and beautiful skin in just 1 to 2 weeks of usage. So until I see you again, bye.